Reasons why I don't like my vehicle reg being online. It's simple. You can get thieving, to be sure, people will copy your license plate, write it on a piece of paper, glue it on their fake plate, and ride around. That way, any speeding tickets you're going to get through your letterbox. Because vehicle recognition doesn't give a shit about the bike or the rider. All they give a shit about is the license plate. Also, if you're in a group for, say, for example, Suzuki Bandit, and somebody puts a fake plate on with your registration on it, you got even less chance of saying it wasn't you, getting the points on your license. As far as anyone's concerned, it's a bike with your vehicle reg, and you can't see your face. So, yeah, keep it covered. If you're not going to give your personal details to some junkie down the road, don't put them online for the planet to see.